Today, I wanted to leave you with two very powerful foods out of many that can help you rebuild your gut health and also reduce inflammation. Most people have poor gut health today because of an excess of inflammation caused by obviously the wrong food, sleep deprivation, eating at the wrong time, eating too much, eating too little, eating too many synthetic foods with synthetic colors. And then, of course, we know the impact of chronic stress. The more stressed we are, the more gut problems we have. So today, the first food I want to talk about is pomegranate. A lot of you know me for loving this particular fruit and for all the right reasons, because when you get deeper into the science of pomegranate, the ellagic acid, the ellagitannin, and basically what it can produce when it mixes with your gut bacteria, Akkermansia mucifila. This is so powerful for your gut. We use it for every one of our cancer patients, patients going through radiation, and everyone to help you rebuild poor gut health, especially when you're going through cancer and you're going through heavy treatment. Your gut health kind of gets depleted with the heavy treatments and the toxicity of the treatments, which unfortunately or fortunately you need to take to get better. But you should always eat the right foods along with that treatment. So pomegranate, number one. Now, let's say you don't have pomegranate in the country that you live in, or you're allergic to pomegranate. Then the second food I'm going to talk about is a dried herb. It's one of my favorite, and you would love to taste as well. I'm talking about dried oregano. Dried oregano is at the top of the scale when it comes to its anti-inflammatory properties. And now all you need to do is get a nice bottle of chemical-free organic dried oregano, and you can put this on your table, sprinkle it on your eggs, into your soups, into your marinades, it goes with almost every food. Even sometimes I just have lentil and rice and I sprinkle it over. This is so powerful, and especially when you have a lot of inflammation in your body, in your lungs, you have respiratory problems, you have a lot of mucus and congestion in your lungs. All you need to do is take a teaspoon of dried oregano, boil it in water, add a little bit of ginger, add a star anise. Star anise is a spice which is very, very rich in antioxidants and it actually helps you with a common flu as well. All you do is boil it for about 5 minutes, reduce it to half, and you sip it slowly. So these are two super powerful foods. They're easily available. All we need to do is be consistent with its consumption. And there are so many different ways. If you have different ways of using dried oregano, do share it in the comments below so we can all learn from that. And it's now 9 o'clock. I'm hungry. I'm going to step out for breakfast and enjoy the beauty of the city with a little bit of work in between. I hope all of you have a beautiful night of deep sleep. Sleep is medicine. Deep sleep is even the most powerful drug that ever exists. So have a great day, everyone, and I will talk to you soon.